Have you ever held onto a grudge so tightly it felt like carrying a heavy backpack everywhere you went? Yeah, I've been there. When I don't forgive, it's like I'm drinking poison, hoping someone else gets sick. Unforgiveness doesn't just hurt the person who wronged me. It locks me in a prison of my own anger and pain. You know what happens then? I start seeing the world through that hurt. My relationships get tense. My joy fades. I miss out on the peace God wants for me. It's like trying to run a race with chains around my ankles. But here's the thing. God calls me to something higher. He asks me to forgive, not because it's easy, but because it's freeing. When I let go of bitterness, I make space for strength and grace to grow. I'm not saying I forget what happened or pretend it didn't hurt. Forgiveness doesn't mean the pain wasn't real. It means I trust God to handle justice. And I choose to move forward in freedom. Living a life that glorifies God isn't about being perfect. It's about leaning on His strength, especially when forgiveness feels impossible. Every time I choose to forgive, I reflect God's love. I show the world that His power is bigger than my pain. So, if you're carrying that heavy backpack today, maybe it's time to lay it down. Choose forgiveness, not just for them, but for you. Step into the strength God offers and watch how your life shines with His glory. You've got this, and God's got you.